Hey guys, welcome to Acoustic Academy. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Australia Street by Sticky Fingers. So let's get into the intro. We're going to begin with our F major bar chord. So that's first fret barred, third fret on the 5th and 4th string with our ring finger and pinky, and then our middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. So we're going to start by just strumming once, and we'll go 2 beats on that. 1, 2. Then we'll move up 2 frets to G major, 2, A minor. So that move from G major to A minor is up 2 frets again, but we're going to take our middle finger off there. 2, 3, 4. So that's 2 beats on F major, 2 beats on G major, 4 beats on A minor. And then we'll go back to F major, 2 beats, 2. G major, 2. Then we'll go down to a C major. Now with the C major, we're also going to add on the low G here. So that's with our thumb on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. So that's a C major. And we'll hold that for 1.5 beats. 1, 2. So what we're doing there is we're adding on our pinky there to the 3rd fret of the 4th string. Again. So strumming once. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll go F major, G major, C major, 2. So that takes us on to verse 1. Verse 1 we'll start with our F major, but we're going to go short, muted strumming there. So keeping our palm on the bridge down here. It means that we're not playing it out long, we're muting it. And then we're going to move to C major. So we hold that for 4 beats, then C major, which is barred on the 3rd fret, and then it's like an A major down there, but up 3 frets. So that's on the 5th fret, on the 4th, 3rd and 2nd string. So F major, C major, up to E major, which is barred on the 7th fret, then barring on the 8th onto F major. Now when you're playing these ones, make sure that you're muting the 6th string, not playing it. So just playing the 5th to 1st string. So you're playing that off the beat the whole time. So we'll play that one through twice for verse 1. Then we get on to the interlude, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. So that's 4 beats on the F major, 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 1, 2, G major, 1, 2. And we'll play that one through 4 times. And following the interlude, we'll get straight into the chorus. Now the chorus plays those same chords, the F major barred, the A minor barred, and then the G major barred. But here, rather than playing long strums, we're going to follow a strumming pattern. So the first one that we'll follow is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So that's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So on the F major, then we're going to move up to A minor, and our strumming pattern is now going to be down, 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 up. Then down to G major. So that same strumming pattern, and we're going to play through that 4 times. So I'll show you that now, just once. So we'll play it through 4 times, and that takes us on to verse 2. Verse 2 begins a little bit differently. I'll show you that now. It's following the bass guitar line. So starting on the 1st fret of the 6th string, 3rd fret of the 5th string. So that's 6th string, 6, 5, 5, 6. 6, 5, 5, 6. Then we're going to move up to 8th fret of the 6th string, 10th fret of the 5th string. The same pattern. Then down to open on the 6th string and 2nd fret of the 5th string. Then back up to our first one. 1st fret of the 6th string, 3rd fret of the 5th string. So following that bass pattern, the second half of verse 2 we'll go back to our short strumming. So we're starting on F major, C major, E major, F major. We're just going to hold it for 2 beats, 1, 2, then up to G major, so that's up 2 frets, 2, then into the chorus. Just as we were playing before, the chorus is going to play that strumming pattern. And so on. So we'll play that one through 4 times there in the chorus. Then the interlude will take us back to those same chords, but we're going to hold them this time. So 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. So the interlude is played through 4 times, just holding on like that. So after the interlude we get into verse 3. Now verse 3 is played just like the chorus was initially, so that's with our strumming pattern. F major, A minor, G major. So we'll play that through 4 times, and then we get into the outro, which is the electric guitar solo. So we're just going to follow the bass line here. So we go just as we did before. And we'll play it one more time, so we'll repeat it. So there we're not going to play the last part like that. We're just going to end on the 1st fret of the 6th string. So that was Australia Street by Sticky Fingers. If you're struggling to get up to speed with the chords and the bar chords there, you can try and get a metronome from your phone or something like that, and they play it at 152 beats per minute. So it's great to work your way up to that, maybe start at 120 or 130 beats. But thanks for coming along. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe.